Hey artists, it's Mrs. Welts. Today I'm going to talk about making 3D paper animals, and they're very simple. Here's an example of what we're going to make. This one could be a lion, or if you added a mane, it could be a lion or a tiger or just a little kitty cat, and it stands up on its own like this. Okay, so today you're going to need some sort of glue or tape, scissors, and paper of any kind. You can use even newspaper for this if you don't have construction paper at your house right now. First, we are going to cut out a square. Okay, so any sort of square shape, doesn't really matter, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you're going to start with a square. And then we are going to fold that square in half. Okay. So you've got almost like a little tent. Okay. And then you can take a marker if you want to outline where you're going to cut, or you can just cut a half circle out of the middle of that folded piece of paper. Okay, then you're going to take your scissors and cut right on that traced line you just made. All right, so now you've got the body of your animal, and these are going to be used for the head and tail. So this is going to be the head. These little corners are going to be the ears. Okay, so you're going to fold it in half. So you had it open like this, then you're going to fold it in half, and then we can even fold these little ears in like this to kind of make them stick out. Okay, then open it back up. This is where you're going to take your glue or tape and stick it on to your animal body. Okay, kind of open it up so that it can stand up on its own. So there's our head. Then you're going to take a Sharpie or marker, crayon, whatever you have available, and you can add details like the eyes. I'm going to make little whiskers on this little kitty. Another eye over here. Some more whiskers. And then on the front, I'll make a little nose. So that he's got a face, okay? And then I can take my extra piece of paper and cut out a little tail. Can cut some fringes on the bottom so it looks like hair. Take some glue and glue it to the inside of the fold. So your little kitty cat looks like this. Alright, so that is how you make 3D paper animals, and I cannot wait to see what kind of animals you make. You don't have to make a cat. If you wanted to, you could add little fringes around to make a lion's mane. I've had kids make mice and elephants with big ears. You would just glue on the ears behind here. So I hope that you have fun making your 3D animals. See you later.